dich für mich ausgezogen hast, dass du alles schmeißt wegen einer Nacht und alles verlierst, war so nicht gedacht. Du willst mich für dich und du willst mich ganz, doch auf dem Niveau macht's mir keinen Spaß. Das füllt mich nicht aus, ich fühl mich zu Haus, nur zwischen den Stühlen. Ich will doch nur spielen, ich tu doch nichts. Ich will doch nur spielen, ich tu doch nichts. Dass du wegen mir irgendwen verlässt, dass du manchmal weinst, weil es dich verletzt, dass es immer mal jemand anderen gibt, der sich hier und da in mein Leben schiebt. Dass du dich verliebst, weil es mit mir tust, dass es dich so trifft, hab ich nicht gewusst. Es war nie geplant, dass du dich jetzt fühlst wie einer von vielen. Ich will doch nur spielen, ich tu doch nichts. Ich will doch nur spielen, ich tu doch nichts. Schläfst, weil es dich erregt, wenn ich mich beweg, wie ich mich beweg. Dass du fast verbrennst unter meiner Hand, wenn ich dich berühre, hab ich nicht geahnt. Ich steh nur so rum, du so dies und das, fahr mir durch das Haar und schon willst du was. Lass mal lieber sein, hab so viel Respekt vor deinen Gefühlen. Ich will doch nur spielen, ich tu doch nichts. Ich will doch nur spielen, ich tu doch nichts, ich tu doch nichts. Ich will doch nur spielen, ich tu doch nichts, ich tu doch nichts.
Again, good morning, welcome to the mighty Zambezi Ravy. Your rafting trip is about to start, so you're at Rapid number 4. Don't know it's the morning glory or the hangover blast. Hang on tight, watch out for the bottom or let us kick in caution. Stay in boat, enjoy the ride.
I got my first real six string, bought it at the 5 and dime, played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Jody got married. I should've known we'd never get far. Oh, when I look back now, that summer seemed to last forever. And if I had the choice, yeah, I always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. Spend my evenings down at the drive-in, and that's when I met you, yeah. Standing on your mama's porch, you told me that you'd wait forever. Oh, when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life.
Right gang, to the mighty Zambezi Ravy. We're now looking at the highest around a rapid anywhere in the universe. Rapid number 5. No, now you stay your way to heaven or you stay your way to hell. Hang on tight, have fun.
You got it! Sometimes words are hard to find. I'm looking for that
looking at rapping number 6. This one is known as the Devil's Toilet Bowl. Hang on tight, stay in the boat, enjoy the ride. From rapping number 6, the Devil's Toilet Bowl. We're now looking at the longest and the most technical rapid anyway on this river. Rapping number 7 known as Gulliver's Travelers, all the Yum Yums.
Through all the days that eat away every breath that I take, through all the nights I have lain alone in someone else's dream awake, all the words in truth that have been spoken, that the wind has blown away. Oh, it's only you that remains with me, clear as the light of day. Oh siesa, sizofika webaba noma. Oh siesa, siyakudla lo mhlaba, siyawela la phesheya kulezo ntaba zimnyama, apha sobeka phansi.
Right, gang, to join the mighty Zambezi River. Before we carry on further downstream to the big one, let's look at rapping number 8. This one is known as the Midnight Diner. Our 3 choices on the menu from right here, looking at Kentucky Fried Chicken. To the center, we got the Mancha and the Star Trek. Choose your way and have fun.
Personally, Personally, I rock your body. I promise you go home, you won't tell daddy. I give it to you like you never had it. Screaming, church, like speaking Chinese. Now waiting me this, back a boom boom. Now waiting I see Zaga, but she no one be. She talks so she no one leave. I no go lie, the things within my mind. When I see you dancing, girl, you got me high. And if you wanna try, begin good day tonight. Cause I'm in the mood. As long as you're feeling the groove, I deal with you. Personally, I go deal with you. Personally, I go deal with you. I go deal with you. Personally, professionally, I see what you're doing intentionally. Get me want it physically, so give it to me radically. Emotionally, psychologically, you're turning me on biologically. sexually, dramatically, and she talks say she no one leave. I no go lie, the things within my mind. When I see you dancing, girl, you got me high. And if you wanna try, begin good day tonight. Cause I'm in the mood, as long as you feeling the groove, I go deal with you personally, 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 I go deal with you personally, personally, I go deal with you. I go deal with you, yeah, exceptionally.
Alright, gang, I tip down the mighty Zambezi Wavy. Rapping number 9 when it's commercial suicide on a level 6. Not good for business, we stop and walk around. See gang after the walk.
Bonango Mandela Tina Lape Kona Lape Feli Kona Hasim Bonanga Hasim Bonango Mandela Tina Lape Kona Lape Feli Kona. Oh, the sea is cold and the sky is gray. Look across the island into the bay. We are all islands till comes the day we cross the burning water.
Okay, welcome back.
Hasim Bonanga Bonango Mandela Tina Lape Kuna Lape Feli Kuna Hasim Bonanga Bonango Mandela Tina Lape Kuna Lape Feli Kuna. A seagull wings across the sea. Broken silence is what I dream. Who has the words to close the distance between?
Alright, gang, after that awesome lunch from Shockwave Adventure. Your rafting trip continues. You're at rapping number 12 being on is the second August sisters on time. Enjoy the ride.
Your mother, would you let me hold your hand? Would you say you were my baby? Would you always be my friend?
Alright, folks, let's look at our final major rapid of the day. Rapid number 18, which is not the first wave, not the second, but the third is kicking, crushing, oblivion. Final major rapid of the day. Rapid number 19 on a surprise. Stay in the boat. Enjoy the ride.